Kasi pagdala ko ng tubig, yun yung makuha ng wala. Nagagano ka? O gagano ka?
Paula. Paula.
In your bed bath. Kasi tuloy-tuloy yung gagawin sa sentence. Okay? So we'll start with your pillowcase. So from top to bottom, so yung pinaka-nasa ilalim. So we have here your pillowcase. Then your row sheet. Your row sheet. Next is your rubber sheet. So class yung rubber sheet, kailangan yung magkakatulog pa rin nakakaloob. Ganyan. Okay? Para kapag pagpatong na ng ganon, bubuksan, then, ganon. Okay? Gusto nyo kayo magpapay?
Tarpaulin.
Then your bottom sheet. So again, your bottom sheet is yung bad side. B is to B.
Tumayo.
Bottom is to bad. So ang nakalabas natin ngayon dito is yung good side. So this is your top sheet. So ito, nakalabas yung bad side. So this is now your bottom sheet. So ito yung nakasunod. Hindi na yun. Common sheet. Prepare na rin natin yung gown. Bali papalitan natin ang gown ng
Yun.
Yan yung scandal naman ng metro. Hindi ka makakatutunan. Mataas na agulo, may camera.
So we are just preparing now
Operative.
for your
Ilang minuto na?
3
3 minutes pa lang. Maba
When you are preparing your things, kasi pag sinek ng CI niya na yung bottom and top sheet nagkabaliktad, that would be, again, a minus.
Malis na may
Dami. May ilang ba? Dalawang tawal talamin po namin.
Dalawa lang.
Dalawa lang.
Ano pa ang provided by the school?
Yung rubber sheet lang, ma'am, no?
Dalawang bath towel na dito. Naantok na dito. Ano pa? Showcase. Huwag yung gago sa...
Prepare all needed materials in the PVC crate and website. Bath towel, dalawa. Face towel, 2.
Dalawa.
Okay, we have here your soaping and soap dish. That's requested.
Likas!
Okay, clean gloves.
Basin, fill, water.
So, dalawang basin of water. So, this one is for soaping. Then, ito naman is for rinsing.
Basin shoe gown. Waist to set up.
Powder or lotion, then patient's gown, and then the waist.
Uy, chill ka lang.
Slow down.
Slow down.
Overspeed.
Prepare ko lang sa
Kalayan.